Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're doing song association. So how this works is choose a word and each of us have to come up with a song with the word in it. With a word in it. So you wanna go first? Alright, want me to go first?
You go first.
Why I go first? Okay. Okay, the first word is make.
Make
What is all the time? I don't think.
crap. I'm sorry, I can't get none.
Really?
I can't get none for some reason.
For? You
What?
made me wanna.
Oh my
You made
goodness.
me wanna lose the one. No, leave. No.
Oh
You
my
made me wanna
goodness.
leave the one with.
I can't
Start a
believe.
new relationship with you. This is what you do.
I don't know how I did
You gotta,
get
like,
that
think
one.
about all
Because
the-
in my head I'm like, you make me, you make me. And don't he say that?
Yeah,
You
I
make
just said
me,
that.
You make me.
You made me. Yeah, you made me
Oh
wanna
my
leave the
goodness.
one. With,
Okay.
Yeah. So you gotta think about the artist and then some of these songs.
I was thinking about Genuine because you know he nasty. You know, make. Okay. Breathe.
Breathe. Breathe. Ooh, it's a fabulous song called Breathe.
I'll go.
Shoot. One to the two to the three. You made me want.
He say that so.
Yeah, I think that's how it started off. One into the two into the three into the four, make you wanna breathe, something like that. I think so.
I know that song.
It's called Breathe though. Okay. I think I've heard that song before. What? Okay. The next word is heart.
Heart. I'm sure there's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Tony Braxton. Unbreak my heart.
Okay. Alright, you got that one.
All right. Heaven.
Heaven. Ooh, Keisha Cole.
That's the same one I had in my head.
How again? Crap. Something about. See, when I listen to the song in a while, I don't remember the words.
Sent from heaven.
Yeah, I know, but like how words go for to that word.
Sent from
Some,
heaven.
yeah, something about.
How I don't even know the words. Wait.
That's what I'm saying. I can't remember the words. Frig.
Yeah, that's is in the song.
Seven from heaven. Like, I also sing the song, but hate.
Hate. Okay. For some reason I can't think of one. Let me see.
Oh, I know one. It's not my turn, but I know one.
I can't think of one. What's one?
Rihanna and Neo. Cause I hate how much I
Oh,
love
yes,
you,
and I
boy.
like that
I
song.
can't stand how
Okay,
much I need you. Ooh.
War.
War.
Mhm.
War?
Mhm. I know one.
You do? What's that? War. Hold on. War.
It's a reggae song.
Nothing can come to mind right now. I give up.
Barris Hammond. Last War.
I don't know that song.
Last War. Children of the children.
I don't know that song.
Yo. How you don't be knowing these songs?
I don't know that song.
Yeah. I feel more Jamaican than you. I can't believe it.
I mean, that's for everybody. I don't go search like.
No, but Burris
I know the songs that come
Burris.
out. I know.
Burris is Burris.
I know.
Like,
I know.
These songs came out before I was born.
That's all I don't know. I don't know that song. Last War. I know.
Okay.
Dog. You have to know this. Since you're more Jamaican than me.
Dog.
Come up with a word. Come up with a song with dog.
Hey.
Come on, girl.
Okay.
He's right there. Think about it.
Okay, I know. I have it in my head. Is it Aaliyah and DMX? What's that song? Does he say dog in that song?
No, you have a.
I feel like
I know. I don't
does
think
he say dog in there?
Maybe he do, but I think I know what you're talking about. With Aaliyah, when she had the puppy in the video.
Yeah, or maybe I'm just thinking about
The puppy. Yeah, because I don't know what she said. I don't know if he
Okay,
said a reggae song. No.
No.
Beanie Man. Old dog like me. Old dog like me. I know that song. I just remember the other verse. But yeah. Old dog like me. Come up in the 200. Something like that. Yeah. And everybody know we wild already. Believe you me.
Alright. Only.
Only? Only. Oh, crap. Only? A song with only. What the heck? Oh, only you can make me feel. Only you can make me feel. Only you can make me feel. Ashanti. I was taking a while to think about that. Well, yeah, okay. The next one is. Where do I keep making the words up? Mama. Mama, you know I love you.
I did a couple of songs with Mama and Chandelier.
Chandelier. I don't know if song's Chandelier in there. Do you?
Yes.
Chandelier?
Yes. I said that one because I thought it would have been easy. Because it is easy.
Is it a reggae song?
No, it's not a reggae song.
Chandelier. I don't know that song Chandelier.
I wanna swing on the chandelier.
I don't know that song. Wait, go again.
On the chandelier.
It sounds familiar.
Oh my God.
It does sound familiar, I'm not gonna lie. Is that like a white? Is a white person's song like on
Sia,
KC or
is
something?
it Sia?
Oh, I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking about.
Yes, it's a big song. I thought you would.
I never heard that song in a while.
But as soon as I say
I don't have it on my phone.
as soon as I say I don't have it on my phone either. But I hear it on the radio.
I haven't listened to the radio forever, Kimberly. Oh yeah. My word is dangerous.
Living dangerously.
Y'all living too dangerous for me. You're living dangerously.
All right, sorry.
Sorry. Sorry. Ooh, Beyonce. I ain't sorry. I ain't sorry, nigga. Let's go.
I was thinking about the reggae song. Sorry.
Oh. It's all that you can say. Oh
All
shit.
Back fourth.
That was quick. You got that
Let me
quick.
see. Stars.
Stars?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Stars. I know a song with stars. Stars. I know a song with stars. Damn. I know a song with stars. Can't remember right now though. Stars. I don't know. We have one? Kimberly.
Okay, I got one in my head, but I'm trying to get the words.
Who? What song?
Sound of shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now.
Oh, okay. Bruno. Is it Bruno Mars? No,
that's not Bruno
No, it's not Bruno Mars.
Mars.
It's damn, what's that guy name? Crap, I know what you're talking about though.
What is his name?
B.O.B.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. I like that song.
Okay. Dance.
That should be easy.
Should be. But is it? He's can't really thinking hard.
Okay. No, listen. There's so many songs with that word. Wyclef and Shakira. Hips don't lie. Don't he be like? Does he say "Let me see you move like you come from Colombia," or does he say "Let me see you dance like you come from Colombia"?
I think it's move.
Okay, then no. I feel like he says the word dance in that song though. Please don't stop the music. Does he say dance in that song? Rihanna, you should know this song.
I do know that song, but I don't remember if she said dance in there. Wait. There's a long way you gotta go.
I can't refuse it. I want it. Okay, I'm hearing "Dance with Me" in my head, but I don't know who's saying that.
Oh, 112.
Oh my goodness.
112, girl.
Oh my god.
Or I wanna dance with somebody.
I'm trying to hit it one
song.
time. I see you looking at me, and I can tell by the way that you're feeling me, and I really want you to get close to me. So would you dance with me? And that's the name of the song.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Happy.
Huh?
Happy.
Cause I'm happy. Oh, okay.
Even though I don't like that song.
Cause I'm happy.
That song's annoying.
Bruno Mars, Happy Man. I don't remember the hardcore
It's
right
not
now.
Bruno Mars.
That's not Bruno Mars?
No, that's Pharrell. And
yeah,
the
for
other
real.
one?
I need to look that
what's
song. Run. Run.
I feel like I should know one. Do you got one?
Dang.
I got one. Whitney Houston. I wanna run to you. Okay, slow.
Slow. Ooh. Slow motion fire. Slow motion fire.
That is one.
Slow motion fire. That like what's his name? Juvenile. Yeah. What's one that came to my head? Oh my god, he was in Vast Cartel.
Oh. Slow motion.
Like why I didn't sing that one? Dang. I don't know why. That's the first song that came to my head when I sing that. Bad.
But T.O.K. Bad Man, Bad to the Bone. Right?
Bottom man fall.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Home.
Home? Ooh. Home. Ooh, damn. Faith Evans. Yeah, how does song go? It's Faith Evans. I forgot what it's called. Oh, soon as I get home.
That's not Faith Evans.
I'll make it up to you.
That's not Faith Evans. That's not Faith Evans. That's
You sure?
I'm very sure.
Faith. That's it. That is Faith Evans.
Oh, it is her. I'm thinking it's like SWV or somebody.
Nah, it's one person.
I saw it was like SWV or something.
I'll make it out to you. Beautiful.
Cause you're beautiful.
That's so easy.
Beautiful. Queen.
Queen. Queen. There's a song with Queen in it. You have one?
Yep.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Queen. What song is that? Hold on.
Embarrassed.
This girl is embarrassed.
And a lady. No ifs, no buts, no maybe. The only thing sweeter than my honeycomb. Like the same queen and lady. Keep yourself steady. The only thing sweeter than my honeycomb.
Wow. Okay, Kimberly. She loves how to embarrass.
I do. You ain't see his concert?
I actually missed it.
Well, that's.
I don't know what I was doing, and I missed it.
It was.
It's like
It was great.
I saw it on his
I was
page.
in here singing on the top of my lungs.
I bet you was. Smile.
Smile, just smile.
What song is that?
Junior Kelly. How goes smile, just smile. I can't remember the words, but he says that.
Okay.
Sugar.
Sugar. Sugar, sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, sugar, how
What
you
song
get
is
so
that?
fly? Some Spanish guy, the short Spanish guy. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I forgot his name. I forgot his name right
I
now.
don't know who that is.
Baby. Is it Baby? He's short. He had a funny little hat. I forgot the name of the song right now, but I don't know.
I
It
was
goes
thinking
like
more
that.
embarrassed.
Girl.
Sugar, you want? Come get some loving you want. You don't know that song? You should be ashamed of yourself.
Oh, so you should be ashamed of yourself. Like.
Like,
Wait, you? It wasn't.
I
Oh
said
yeah,
that.
okay. I was trying to remember.
Well, you said like.
Like.
I got something in my head.
There's a long song. There's a lot of songs like.
I know. Crap.
Why should I come up with some reggae song? But probably not, because she probably won't.
Let me see. I can't get. Why can't I can't get one? Let me have one.
Set good like the ice in my freezer. Alright, or what if I had a thing on the side? Like a boy, Sierra.
I just had one.
Or I never had somebody show me all the things that you show me in a special way. I feel but you hold me, we'll always be together.
I'll dream.
Dream. Oh, is this a sweet dream, a beautiful nightmare? That song, Beyonce. Either way, somebody.
Somebody. Okay. I don't know.
I wanna dance with somebody.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we just said that, Kimberly.
Right.
You just said that a few minutes ago.
Down.
Down?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. I'm going down.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going down. 'Cause you ain't around, baby. My whole world's upside down. Okay. My word is baby.
Baby, baby, baby.
That was so easy.
Baby.
That was so easy for you.
Work.
Who?
Work.
Work, 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 work. You
Of
thought I was gonna get that, didn't
Of
you? You thought I was
course.
gonna get that. She's like, of course. Worry.
You got one?
What was the word?
Worry.
Worry. I don't have a song. I don't have a song with worry. Oh, that song. That guy. That Oh. TJ.
Doing fine. How are you?
Oh, I tell her, send me not worry about nothing. As long as me have life, I'm doing okay. I'm doing alright. How are you? 'Cause I am fine. Shun. I love that song.
Yeah, me too. Jeans.
Ooh, jeans. Ooh. Ooh. Genuine. In those jeans. Baby, is it how you Yo, I didn't hear the song in a minute.
And
Yeah, that's the song. I got it right. Up.
and that song go up, up, up. Up,
So-
up, up.
What song is that?
Ain't that Shania Twain?
Oh yeah, Shania
You know what I was
yeah,
saying?
Shania song. I did her song called Up. What the hell is this? Why is
Oh, you
it?
thought I was making it up.
No, I know. I do know Shania Twain, so I know something about. Oh, what about if it's up, then it's up, then it's
Oh,
up,
yeah.
then it's up.
Dress.
I don't know a song with Dress, girl.
My. Sure look good tonight.
Okay, where did it just come from?
Put on that red dress.
Oh, Freakum Dress, Beyonce. Oh my gosh, I forgot all that song.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. The last one is. Let me give you a hard one. Party.
I got one in my head. So the same Beyonce. We like to party.
Hey, yes, that song. Okay. This is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. You get so serious.